Now we're in the bathroom and I have already installed my Den Shield tile backer board and put on the first 2 coats. I think I'm only gonna do 2 coats of the thin set, the mortar. I do have to put some more thin set here because I'm not very good with drywall and I kind of have a little bit of a rough edge there. I do have a nice tiled trim piece on that side. So I'm gonna put another coat on that, let it dry, and then it'll be time to paint it with the RedGard. This is the floor tile I'm gonna be using, and this is the wall tile I'll be using in the shower. Floor tile will only be in the bathroom, not in there because that's a shower pan. A tip that I do have is tape up your drain hole because you don't want anything to go down there. Oh, my on-site inspector is here. Does that look okay, Clark? And then take a piece of cardboard, and I used the cardboard that this shower base came in, and drop it in, cut it to fit, and drop it in. I had to do this piece so I could actually step on this without it pulling forward. And I'm going to then tape that up with some masking tape before I do any RedGard. And this is going to prevent RedGard from getting on here, also any mortar, tile chips, and it'll prevent me from scratching up my brand new shower base. Getting there with the tile. I used masking tape. I've already removed my spacers. That's why there aren't any up there right now, but there is masking tape to help hold pieces in the correct position. I've got RedGard on the floor, and it's time to give these tiles a nice wash down. And this is what the completed floor looks like. I did seal it before I grouted it, and then I did add 1 coat of a high gloss finish, which you really can't see. It's definitely gonna need more than 1 coat. The shower is completed, as well as the vanity, the light, and the toilet. I've got my towel bars and my toilet paper holder. I just need my medicine cabinet to complete the bathroom. Sorry I don't have any footage of installation. I do have a working GoPro again, and I promise for the next video, which will be my kitchen, I'll have lots of time-lapse video. Thanks for watching.